Every baker has his or her own style of baking apple pie, from crust to ingredients. When it comes to the crust, we want this crispy and not soggy. We achieve this by making sure that the sliced apples are dried before we pour in the sugar and spice mixture, because this is what makes the caramel thick or thin. Thick caramel is what we want in an apple pie. The ingredients, measurements, and directions are written in text in this video itself, so I let you watch it to its completion without me talking. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.